How to redeem Steam gift card online. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your Steam app. You can also open your Steam account in the web version. For this video, I'm going to use the app. Once you're logged in, you will land to this kind of page. Now, get towards the option of Wallet. Click on it. Once you are in the wallet page, you're going to find the option of redeem a Steam gift card or wallet code. Click on that option. Now from this page, you can easily redeem your Steam gift card. All you have to do is type in over here. Type in the code. Once you type in, click on continue. And just with that, your Steam gift card will be redeemed. Note, if the gift card you attempt to redeem is not your currency, it will be automatically converted if redeemable in your region. Not all gift card currencies can be redeemed in all regions. Well, that's a wrap for this video. I hope now you guys are clear about how to redeem a Steam gift card. This was really simple and quick process. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, smash that like button, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.